Okay, action.
Hi everybody!
Wait, let me do it.
It's Sammy and Gabby.
It's Gabby and Sammy.
And also, we're making one for slime videos. We're making our own slime, but we didn't have enough time to make it with a video. So we're going to make a glitter glue slime right now. And we're going to post this video maybe on the internet. Okay, so
So now it's my turn to talk.
Okay.
So, hi, I'm Gabby. This is Sammy, and we're making a slime video. So we're gonna do some glitter glue slime. We're gonna do some glitter. We're gonna add glitter. We're just gonna make slime.
Yeah, glitter glue slime.
And we already know this is gonna be posted on YouTube.
Glitter glue slime.
Okay, let's
Glitter glue! Glitter glue!
smash that like button if you like this video, and please subscribe to our YouTube channel. We hope you enjoy our video.
Yeah. Okay, guys. We're maybe going to post this video on the internet. And if you saw it, give it one like. If you don't like it, give it a thumbs down, maybe.
Which one? Click, 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 click.
Okay, so guys, this is one of the famous glue at the fair. Nickelodeon slime from the Nick Jr., my favorite.
And we have some crazy cat videos in the background.
Yeah. Also, behold, glitter glue slime.
Yeah, I'm just gonna make mine blue.
Yeah.
Where's the activator?
And avocados.
Where's the activator box?
And avocados.
No avocados. I hope this video.
What
will
about
go fun.
bananas?
Sure.
Yeah. Okay, stop that. So I'm going to tell you. Oh,
Hey,
Daddy,
Gabby.
show them your muscles.
Do you have tickets to the gun show?
I do got tickets to the gun show.
So just to tell you guys, I'm going to tell you something.
Show them
I'm
your muscles,
almost
Dad.
turning 7.
Show them your muscles,
They're
Dad.
not ready for those
And
muscles.
also,
Yeah.
Directions, but nothing's happening.
Smash the like button if you want Dad to show you
Did it
his
affect
muscles
when you
in the
were-
next
What
video.
the heck? Whoa, what did you do?
I did equal parts of I did
No.
I
My
did
mom was
half
just
of
making
this
some slime.
of the glue and
So,
2
as
cups
I was
of
saying,
water.
smash the
No.
like button if you want to
Half a
see
cup
Dad's
of, half a
muscles,
cup of this water.
or if
No,
you want to
throw
see
that
out.
my muscles.
3 millimeters. It's
Or-
double.
30
Mine-
Wait,
It's It's
put in the
double.
comments
So
down below if you
the
want
recipe calls
the
for
next
double
YouTube video
water. 1
to
part
be
of this to 2
a
parts of
Russian-
water.
Oh,
Our
I
muscle
did it
show,
reverse. I did 30
a fun
ml
war
of glue
show,
and 15 of
or a
water.
slime
and it came out
show,
like
or
that.
get another gaming
That's
show.
Okay, so then maybe I should add more glue.
So please put it in the comments down below.
Let's see.
I repeat, put in the comments down below if you want our next video to be
That looks
a slime video, a arm wrestle video, a thumb war video, or a gaming video.
It looks like it's getting better.
yeah.
Or just let you know we do requests for our next video. So you're more than welcome to put a request down in the comments down below.
yeah. And also, we're almost going to start in maybe 10 seconds.
You want me to stop the video?
No,
We're almost going to start.
we're gonna start our
Did you put
slime.
activator in there?
No.
So maybe we're going to reload. Okay, everybody. So we got this glitter glue. Yeah. So
Sam, there's slime on your chin.
and it's really slime.
Yeah, it's just a dot of it.
Doesn't feel any slime,
Not-
Gabby. Sure? Sure there's
Okay.
slime?
So, did you ever saw Tic Tac Toy?
No, Sam, let's not talk about that. I have no idea what you're talking about.
It's
Okay.
nice.
So do you ever watch the video Tic-Tac-Toe? We suck. It's the most likes.
I
Well.
do not watch Tic-Tac-Toe.
I watch it.
I watch Crazy Cat videos.
Me too.
But Samantha watches this Tic-Tac-Toe a lot.
Let me see if this will work.
Sometimes I do.
I'm not a big fan of Tic-Tac-Toe.
You're not a really big fan. Well, I like it. I don't like Tic-Tac-Toe, but I'll watch it.
You just come back home from school?
I don't know. Probably one of their birthdays or.
I don't have a
Christmas or
glue
something.
bottle. My glue bottle ran out by accident. Mommy.
How's the slime? Good?
Great.
Mommy,
Yes.
my glue bottle ran out by
Yeah?
accident in school.
Okay, so then we'll get another glue bottle for school.
And I need a glue stick for school. When are we going to start making our slime then?
Well, this is something that the recipe is not always exact, so we gotta kind of work with it. And then I'll tell you. Okay.
Okay, guys, since we
We're experiencing technical difficulties at the moment.
yeah. So
We're making our own slime.
guys,
Yeah, can you get me the blue?
maybe
The
you
blue?
should fast forward till
Can you
we
put
make
some,
that
a couple of
slime,
drops of the
okay?
blue in?
Okay.
So fast forward until we make the slime. Or if you want to watch,
Give me 2 drops.
you can
Okay,
watch
go
us
ahead,
develop
Sam.
our
I
slime.
have to turn off the cap. Oh, there we go.
Slow. There, that's it.
2.
Okay.
I said 2. Ah! I got some.
Yes, I did.
I got some
Daddy,
on
I
my.
wanna make some.
Ah!
Come.
Is this permanent?
Come.
Is this permanent?
No,
Or does it stay forever? on?
no, it doesn't stay forever.
Is it waterproof? Is it waterproof?
Can it wash off?
Let me finish making this, and I will hook you up. What color would you like to make?
Blue.
Blue. Can you get the blue?
Sure.
This is gonna be one big batch.
Yeah.
If this turns out
You're
to
making
be-
the same color as
Can
me.
you put me a drop of that blue?
Sure.
Just one. Oh, you gotta open it.
Oh. How do I open it?
Unscrew.
This?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
That's it. That's it. That's it.
Oh, so sorry.
Yeah, it comes out quick.
Don't. It's not my fault.
Not me.
Gabby, I might need a drop of blue. Here.
You know my
Is it
name?
open?
You gotta no, you gotta unscrew it.
Oh, okay.
Just a little bit. Maybe a little more. That's good.
Daddy, I've heard some rumors that if you play Roblox on March 8th or 9th, you'll get hacked.
Really?
Yeah.
Where'd you hear that rumor?
YouTube
All right, let's see what
The
we got
YouTube.
going on here.
is full of crazy lies.
I'm still here with freaking
Really?
glue soup. Let me see if maybe putting the activator in the bowl.
I think the water needs to be a small amount, because this one I
Yeah.
barely added any water and it came out.
Great.
Look,
Wow.
not bad.
The
right?
last time it
But
was
the
all
color,
stuck.
the color sucks. The color didn't come out
I
too
like this.
good.
I like the color. Sky blue.
I wanted it a little more blue.
Yeah.
Here.
You think if we add more blue, it'll get more blue?
Yeah, but I don't want to risk it.
Go ahead, Sam. A little more. Give me 3 drops.
Okay, that's
Okay.
I give you 3 drops. Oh, that looks a lot better. I got some on my face.
Oh no, you're gonna be blue forever, Sam.
No, you aren't.
You're gonna be like a blue troll.
No. It doesn't stay
Yeet.
on forever.
Yeet.
It doesn't stay on forever.
No, it doesn't stay on forever. All right,
Comes
Gabby.
out for some days. Ah! Oh no! My slime escaped. Wow.
Have a seat. What?
My slime will
You
spout
gonna make
again.
it? Aren't you gonna make your own?
Yeah.
Okay, take a seat. Oh yeah, you need the cup. Here is your stirrer. The thing that you are going to stir with.
What's the first thing I need to do?
Hey, babe, can you do me a favor? Can
Yeah.
you get me the lid to this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Do I do?
That looks like it's a waste, babe.
I wonder if I put more glue, if it'll.
Probably yeah. If you
Do I have to
more
put some
glue,
of this in, Dad?
I think yeah. I guess you could start with that.
How much? How much drops?
If you want it very blue, put like 10
I
drops
followed
in.
the directions to a T.
Oh, this thing sucks. What are you gonna do? Sammy would like to make this, so if you want to stop doing that.
Glue.
Hey Gabby, this is pretty good. Do you want to start with this? Or maybe we'll add
We
it.
need more napkins.
We'll add it.
No.
So what? Just add a splash of water to this,
It's
basically,
okay,
is what
Dad.
you're saying?
Yeah, I mean that's what I've been doing.
It tells you the.
Hold on,
put some
wait.
glue in it?
Yes. Put glue up to here, like here.
Okay.
Put glue up to there.
Okay.
Ow.
I'm going to make glitter. I'm going to make a little bit of glitter. That.
Wait.
I want
see.
this purple. A little bit of drop of purple.
Let's see. This is.
Do you want me to get another cup for Sammy to mix it?
I think I'll pick purple.
Here, let me do it with Sammy.
I'm reading the back to see. Sometimes they have a recipe. Like, don't reach for something when it's in someone's hands.
I'm sorry. You're right.
There's the other one, you know. Just two.
I know, but mommy's right. You have to measure it, baby.
Yeah.
Alright.
So what we're doing again? One. I'm going to do it purple. I'm going to do it purple. This little food coloring purple.
Maybe this
No,
one's
it's
a little
gonna be
more
this
water
color.
based.
This one?
Yeah.
You want
That
a dark one?
pink.
Because it's clear.
It's going to be pink,
So-
but I already have a pink.
Why don't we make this one purple? And then we make this one pink so that we don't ruin it. Sound good?
Okay, are you sure?
Yeah. Watch this. Okay.
Can it really
I
happen?
don't think it works that way.
What does it
You're gonna
make
ruin
with
it
purple?
by adding the food coloring afterwards.
Yeah.
You're gonna ruin it. Yeah.
Okay.
I've done
It's
that
going to turn
mistake
into
before.
brown.
Okay. Oh, Gabby, that's a nice blue.
Thank you.
It's going to turn brown.
All right, Sam. Let's see if it works this time.
Hey, let Sammy mix it though.
I know. I'm putting it in, and then I'm
Oh,
gonna put a
okay.
little bit of water, and then she can mix it.
No, I don't feel like mixing.
Oh, Sammy, no. Come on, that's the most fun part.
No, it's fine. I don't feel like mixing.
Come on, Sammy. You know you feel like mixing it.
Here.
Wait.
Ah, go ahead,
Let
go ahead,
mommy,
go ahead.
let mommy put the water in. Put the water. Add the water,
I
Sammy.
don't know if that's
That's
Alright.
fine. That's good.
okay. Not just
Now the
mix.
activator or no?
I don't know if you had it before or after.
Ah.
I don't.
All right, mix that a little bit, Sammy.
I guess while she's mixing it, you can.
Oh.
Ready? Go ahead. Mix.
It
Good.
starts to stick a little
Yeah,
bit.
keep mixing.
Maybe the
Oh.
bottle itself has a.
3 ounces glue, 1 ounce activator, 5 ounces water. Go ahead, keep mixing, Sam. You got it. Let me put a little more activator. Okay, go ahead.
It starts to stick a little bit.
Good. Keep mixing.
Let me see. If
Mix
I,
hard, mix hard. Feels really.
Is it still filming, Dad?
Yes.
Good. Daddy, what do
Ooh,
I do
very
next?
Oh wait, did you put activator yet?
No.
Oh, okay. So that makes sense then. Ready? Keep mixing. Keep mixing.
Okay.
Keep going. Keep going. Keep going.
Wait a minute. This one's light pink. This one's neon pink.
Is
Daddy.
it getting together?
Daddy, no. There's something wrong. This is
I don't
neon
know.
pink. This is light pink.
Yeah.
That's basically the same.
Yeah, but this one has glitter. How's that
Yeah.
mixing, Gabby?
I don't know. It doesn't feel strong.
Just oh,
Oops, sorry.
some drops.
I don't get this off of me.
That's how it gets at first, and then it starts to come
Yeah.
up.
Stop! I
Let's see if
need to
this-
get this off.
Oh man, this is not. Yeah, I think it's just this kind of glue.
Yeah.
This is not working well. The white glue is working better. Help Gabby out. I think she needs more activator.
Yeah, I need more activator.
Oh wait, I feel it getting a little firmer inside.
All right.
At least I
Gabby,
think.
give me more activator. Yep. I know. Keep mixing.
It says great for slime.
What, this? The glow in
Yeah.
the dark?
Yeah.
Really?
It says it. Great for slime.
I mean, it's very slimy. Holy moly, what a mess this is making. Oh no. This is
think I
it.
should
This is
put
like
some
staying
water.
like glue. My gosh. Okay. Sammy, get that cup of water.
What cup
Add a
of
little bit
water?
of water. No, that over there.
A little bit of
Look
water.
at how this crap is
yeah,
coming out.
this too.
A little bit.
This is water.
No, look at this. This is like literally glue on the table.
Oh,
Sammy,
that's too
over here, a
much.
little bit. Okay.
Oh.
Oh, that's okay. That's okay. Let's see what happens.
Let's see.
This thing is not turning into slime, bro.
Yeah. It's
Same for
staying
mine.
like glue.
Yo, this is something has got to be wrong with that glue. How long has it been in the garage? Sammy,
It's
stop
not the
playing
glue.
with it. Stop
It could
playing
be
with
that the activator
Oh,
just
that's
is not
so
compatible with
good.
the.
it. Sammy, no. This is making a huge mess. Sammy.
No, Sammy.
Sammy, keep your hands here. Your hands here.
Uh,
Okay. All right. This did not work out good. Wait.
This one's
Yeah, give me
filled.
one of the kitchen towels that you're just gonna throw out.
Oh, there's
wheels
none. I
stuck
threw away.
in
The yellow one. Sammy, don't play around with it because you're gonna get it everywhere.
Hey, babe, you can just come here and wash your hands. It literally just comes
I
right
have
out.
to keep an eye on her, or else she's gonna rub it everywhere.
Okay, I'll come.
Yeah, this one you're just gonna have to wash your hands in the sink.
Yeah. That it comes apart. The water.
Come, Sammy. All right, don't touch anything, okay?
okay.
Don't
I'll
touch
try
anything.
not.
All right, come on.
How's yours coming along?
Bad.
Oh, watch out!
No bueno.
Oh, but no, it's water. Literally water. Can I have some more activator, please?
Yeah, hold on.
Thank you.
I know. All right, you gotta. This is very sticky. It's gonna.
Wait a minute. What? It's sticking.
Wait. Keep your hands under the water, Sammy, please. Please don't play with this because it's gonna get all over the house.
Okay.
Mommy, can you direct me?
Is that over here?
Sorry, Sammy. I know you were excited about that. Neon purple. All right, go dry your hands.
I think it's getting a bit more firm. Wait, why is it leaking like that? Why is it leaking like that?
Right now.
Why is there like some of this?
Oh no, because it gets. Let me try.
Can I wash my hands?
Yeah.
Mommy, can you eat or something? Can you eat or something?
If you want, sure.
Thank you.
Okay.
You gotta get in here.
I think it's the activator.
Huh?
The activator.
The slime activator is
Yeah.
not working well with
No, even with the white glue over
the
here.
shaving cream. Probably would have worked better, babe. That activator was that slime one. I don't know. It worked on the first one I made.
This one, you used the big bottle?
I used the big bottle on
So
the,
what did
on
you
the
do?
blue
You
one.
just did a little bit of glue, a tiny bit of water.
Yeah, I did glue.
Didn't you measure this out for Gabby too? It's soup.
No, Gabby did that on her own.
Maybe she added too much water.
I don't know.
No,
Gabby,
I
did
added
you?
a lot of glue, I think. The table's a mess.
Yes.
Yeah, it's fine. This is what happens when you play with slime. What do you guys think was gonna happen?
I thought you'd be so mad.
I don't get it.
Oh,
Gosh darn mad.
oh wait.
Oh, that glue was from what came with the package.
This one?
That glue. This glue is this.
Maybe it's
Maybe
not-
because it's no run.
No. It has to be something with the formula. Is the only thing that I can think of.
All right.
What?
Gabby, you could play with those that we made. I gotta clean this up, or else it's only gonna get worse.
Yeah.
Yeah. I guess that glue we should throw away.
No, we could use the glue. Wait, Sammy, you can't sit here right now. Wait, please.
Do you mind if I sit
Yeah, you can throw that little
What?
cup thing away.
Yeah, no, I was, but this bag has a hole in it.
Ah,
Like, do you mind
that
if I do
infamous
this
hole in
too?
the bag.
With this? Like
I don't think it'll work, honey. Okay. All right. I think the blue one is good now. Now it's not sticky. It's slime, but it's not sticking.
The one that was in the bowl?
No,
Oh,
this was
no,
the one
that
that
was
you
not.
made.
Okay.
I'm wondering if it's because it has to be like the Crazy Art brand, maybe. Because this is Crazy Art brand.
You know what I'm gonna try?
Maybe try it without the water. Just the glue with the activator, maybe.
I think these are cute videos. Ah! It's great video.
You're gonna experiment and see how the.
Yeah, I mean it's a waste anyway, right?
Yeah. I'm just gonna pour some in. But does it go with glue also?
Yeah.
Shaving cream?
Yeah.
Yeah.
This is how Alan did it.
Who?
Alan and Rose when we went to the house that
Oh.
time a few years back.
Oh, I remember.
I
Alright,
do because
see,
I
this
couldn't
is-
believe.
Look,
I couldn't.
now it's not sticking. Good.
I couldn't believe that he was doing it with shaving cream. I was like, what? Shaving cream?
Oh yeah, you know what? When they went to kids corner, whatever it is that I used to take them to, that's how they made slime. They made it with shaving cream once in the class.
No, it's not working.
No? Maybe.
Oh,
Yeah.
something is happening. Gabby. Oh, it's working.
Yay.
Give me more contact lens solution. Give me 3 cc's of contact lens solution, Gabby.
Okay.
Gabby's like, well, yeah, whatever that means there. Gabby. Look,
Wow, that's not good.
look. It got saved. I'm so happy for you.
Yay.
Yeah, my shaving cream wasn't good enough for you, huh?
I've never done it with shaving cream.
Wow.
I've always done it this
Well.
way.
Glue.
Yeah, it's not compatible with ours.
I'm gonna name this video Slime Mayhem.
Hey, Gab,
Yeah?
you want this?
Yeah. As long as it's not too sticky.
No, it's not. Yeah, that is a disaster.
This is just.
Hey, give me a hand. Let's see if this helps out.
The saving.
Anything?
Oh, a little. I don't know if maybe that's just glue that's. Oh, yeah, maybe. Oh,
At least
What?
you get it off your fingers.
oh, oh!
All right, Gabby. I'll leave it for you
Chris,
here.
you're onto something.
Thank you.
Yeah, you want more?
Can I
What?
This is my slime.
Okay, it feels so jiggly.
Because that's how I'm gonna get all this crap off.
Well, the smart thing to do would be first scrape off the excess and then use that to clean the table. You
You.
understand? Get a knife from over there.
This
Look,
what feels
No.
like
A
when
plastic
you do
knife.
glue.
No, this is fine.
It's very small slime. When I do a shaving cream, it feels not slimy.
It feels like it feels gooey. We call it eggs.
like I
Do you
said.
mind if I play with your slime, Daddy?
Yes, go ahead.
Thank you.
I would like to make one.
See?
Mm-hmm.
This is
Okay,
better than
that's
doing that with your
okay.
hand.
Well, I'm also having a little fun
Ah.
with it.
Okay, so then say I'm having fun.
I'm being a kid, you know?
You're being a kid.
Sammy, the pink one is not gonna work out good.
Okay.
You want to try one more, just maybe
I
in a
think
cup?
maybe if the pink one with the saline solution might,
And the shaving cream.
and the shaving cream, yeah.
Mine smells so good. Smell it.
Yeah, that's the shaving cream one.
Can I smell again?
Oh, Sammy, look!
No. What?
It kind of became slime.
Fine.
What?
I'm not going to use. Do you know Sam? Do you remember the video game I Am
Oh
Bread,
no,
Sam?
no.
Do you remember the game that Do you remember the game that's called I Am Bread? Yeah. I am slime. That's I am slime. We should make a video.
Oh, look at this.
When I grow up, I'm gonna make a video game
It's
that's
too
called
much
I Am
saline
Slime.
solution.
Huh?
This one just happened to be too much saline solution. I mean, yeah, whatever this contact solution is. It keeps breaking apart when you try to play with it. You're determined, huh?
I
see.
am.
I see. You got new
I
supply.
got sucked in. I'm sucked in. I can't. I'm too far vested in this right now.
You're pot committed.
Pot. All in. Gotta let it ride.
All in all the time, girl.
I repeat, we do requests. Put in the comments down below if you want our next video to be something that you want us to do. And tell us about it. But we do not do farting competitions. No, with real farts. We don't do that. We do.
We do farting competition only with our armpits.
Yeah. I can do an armpit fart.
Sammy, you
tell
want
me
to
how
try to
much-
play with it a little bit?
To put in here.
Sure.
Oh, babe, I just eyeballed it.
So
Here.
okay, so
Yeah, I just.
this whole
One time-
bottle's full still.
One time at our school,
Let me just give you some
Hey.
of this.
a girl
Oh,
was
more?
eyeballing
Yeah,
me
you got it.
from another table.
I
And I was
got you, girl.
eyeballing
I
her
got
back.
you. Watch out. Here you go.
She was like staring at me.
I'll just leave this upside
And
down.
this
then.
light pink
Okay,
one
so
is
now
too
you can't
bright.
quote me on this, but
Daddy, I'm going to just do
Play with me
purple.
more.
Mix it.
Can I do shaving cream?
Mix it.
yeah, mix it.
Daddy, can I do shaving cream?
You want to help mommy mix it?
I want to do shaving cream.
Okay.
Smells bad
Is
too.
that okay?
All right. Ready?
Wait,
shaving cream
It's
smells
not
bad.
mixed.
No, yeah,
This
that's
smells
okay.
like pool water. Pool water? Yeah. Yeah, pool. Stop it.
Wait,
It
you
smells
gotta add
good.
activator to it too, right? Or
Oh,
no?
no,
No, but this is mine.
This is just.
I don't
Daddy,
think so.
I don't feel like having this. I don't want it.
My arm hurts already. Can
Okay.
you?
What happens if I stick this in?
No, come on.
Is that yours? Here you go. Your
Oh,
finger.
this came out good. It came out.
Make
No.
sure to not break
I'll see
it.
that.
It gets
It's
a lot
okay.
breaky. Can you smell it?
Definitely has a lot of saline solution.
Ah! I think we're gonna place this one. Okay, see
This
if
is
it blows
the
in
same
the
activator.
I wanna see if I can find out.
Maybe it does need some of that activator. Or oh no, it needs more of this. I only put a little bit.
I want to make another slime, Daddy. I want to make
Okay.
yellow slime.
All right, you gotta hang on a few minutes, okay?
Mia A in my class really likes yellow, so I'm doing. So just in case of Mia A watches this video, I'm doing that for her.
Toast me a little bit. All right, hold
Make it
on,
rain.
hold on. It's splashing everywhere.
But it's good old messy fun.
It is, but I don't want it. What am I saying? That could go in your eye, right?
Yeah, this is saline solution.
Make it rain. No.
Oh,
I'm
okay.
just kidding. Yeah, give me a little more.
No sign on the
Or
carpet.
you know what?
Okay.
Maybe not.
Maybe work it for a while.
Yeah, work it.
Okay,
it,
this
girl.
is 2 hours. This video. It's still going. 2 hours. Cool, right?
Yeah, it was like a 35-minute video.
Yeah, I think that
All right.
the 35-minute video passed.
All right, good.
I think the 35-minute video passed.
Yeah, for sure.
Yeah. It has been more than 35
Sam?
minutes.
Samantha? Sam?
In the room. In the bathroom.
You better not have slime on you.
You know she does. Let's test it with the activator now. Take a little piece. And let me see what happens with a little.
Yeah, Daddy.
Oh, crikey.
Yep.
Daddy,
I
what?
think maybe pour a little more saline on it.
What, Daddy? I'm over here.
I was saying don't go playing with slime all over the house, okay?
Okay.
Sammy, can you put a couple of drops of that in my hands?
There's activator
What?
here, so I'm doing this.
Couples of drops. What couple?
This one.
Drops?
This one. Put a little bit. Why isn't this getting off my hands now?
I'm telling you, try with
What is that?
activator.
The one that came with the thingy?
Well, it's the same thing. I just
Oh.
poured some in here to make the squirt bottle. I just go like this. So pick it up. Seems to have worked.
Yeah. Oh. Oh yeah. That actually that did that
Just
did.
like that on the table. Just
Yeah.
look. Perfect.
Yeah.
There we go. Yay!
That's
We
loud.
did it. A little of this, a dash of that.
Blah, blah, blah.
Yada yada yada.
You Blah, need me blah, to put the camera in your blah. mouth.
5 minutes at 350, and we're good.
And we're bad.
And
We're not good. And we're not good.
Sammy,
Daddy, can you find me like a
Thank you.
container?
pink.
Can you find me some slime?
it's gonna have to be Ziploc bags because we don't have
I was
containers.
going to make
Yeah,
purple
baby.
slime.
You want to put it in a bag?
I was going to make purple
No,
slime.
you cannot add
Oh.
coloring after. It
You
has to
sure?
be before positive. I've tried it before. It just creates like a
Daddy,
mess.
I was going to make purple, Daddy. This purple.
I know, baby.
It stains the
forgot.
hands. It stains everything. That's something that you gotta add before it becomes like.
It's actually.
But it's okay. We can do another one.
All right.
Alright. They're supposed to be cool.
All right. Wait, Sammy, what do you want to do it? Sammy, you want to make a purple one?
Uh-huh. I said that to you. Gabby, Daddy put chili.
She's not gonna be able to squeeze this
Yeah.
out.
Wait, let me get it out, okay,
It
Sam?
smells like